Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix PS5 controller not connecting to DS4 Windows. For Bluetooth connections, go to your computer's Bluetooth settings and find your controller in the list of paired devices, then click Remove. Repair the controller by holding the PS button and share button until the light bar flashes, then add the device again in Bluetooth settings. To test all the USB ports, plug the controller into a different USB port to see if it works. If the light bar flashes yellow and the controller isn't recognized, proceed with the steps below. Press the Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type Control Printers and click OK to open Devices and Printers. Locate your controller in the list of devices. Right-click on it, go to the Hardware tab and then select HID Compliant Game Controller. If it's listed disabled, click Properties and then Enable Device. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.